I don't know what you mean by boundaries in this context. So there are things that are, disliked, because they're like your parents in a sense. And a lot of this stuff, in essence, the boundaries that we kind of hear of, or you see just in-laws sticking to anyway, they're more cultural. It's things like the boundaries that we all have. Nobody goes around knocking on people's houses unnecessarily at 3 o'clock in the morning. That's a boundary. And the in-laws wouldn't do that anyway. And if they do, for you to set that boundary, it's fine, because that's disturbing. Do you understand? But in essence, those type of things exist already, and they're already in place as a result of the customs. I would say that if you're going to set these sort of boundaries that already should be there, and if they're not there, then maybe go through your parents if you feel like they're overstepping these sort of social norms that we should all abide to, or else, it puts us in a very compromising position where maybe if somebody comes back at 3 o'clock, you're not going to get any sleep. That's problematic to you. And so these sort of scenarios, maybe the best way to deal with it is, speaking to your parents, to speak to your in-laws, for example. But it's an understanding of what is the boundary here. So sometimes we, in this society, in this day and age, we're taking, our individualism a little bit too far.